This is the review on the KJW M1911 C02 and green gas airsoft pistol. When you buy this, it will come with the KJW booklet on their guns and other products. So, a safety manual with obvious things like do not shoot yourself in the face. It's kind of obvious. 3 targets. How to put the CO2 in your gun manual. The BBs, which are seamed and suck, do not use them. The CO2 magazine, which has, this is how the BBs are orientated, so it holds 30 BBs all the way down. I counted them. So that's side by side instead of like just one line, so that holds a lot more than other guns. Magazines. The green gas magazine, put the green gas in that hole. It's pretty straightforward. So, the CO2 cap unscrewer. The front and rear side adjustment screw driver, Bob. And then you have your gun. So, yes, this is a extremely nice gun. Extremely nice. It's probably the best airsoft gun I've ever bought in my life. So, that just shows you how awesome this gun is. All the parts in this are metal. They're all metal except for the muzzle, hand grip, some other sorted parts like the CO2 cover, CO2 magazine cover. So fairly nice. It's not like pot metal, but it's not stamped steel. But it's not going to break if you drop it. It might just get scratched. So the trigger, slide, magazine, everything's metal, except for the things I told you. The sights are 3 white dots. This gun is pretty accurate. It's a CO2 pistol, so it's not that long of a barrel, so it's not going to be that accurate. There are 2 safeties on this weapon. One's right here. That's to stop the slide from moving, and the hammer, so I can't pull it all the way back. And the grip safety, which I cannot pull the trigger and shoot the gun without holding it. Let me take that out. So when I do hold it, see, I can't shoot it. Very high quality, very high quality detail and manufacturing have been put into this weapon. So it is blowback, so you will want to lubricate it and maintain it fairly. So one thing that is cool that I noticed is I don't know if the camera can see it or read it, but it says 45 ACP. That's the caliber of the actual M1911. So, the only thing I would change about this gun is move the slide catch a little bit back, but I'm 13, so I guess my thumb's short or something, but it's a little bit hard for me to reach it. It's like when I'm aiming like this, it's kind of hard. So, it doesn't look like it, but it is. I will shoot this gun, 5 BBs to show you how realistic. Alright, now I'm shooting my M1911. 5 BBs. Alright. Notice I cannot shoot the gun. Safety's off, holding the grip. Cannot shoot it until I cock it. And I can shoot it. Pretty hefty kick for CO2. Won't fly out of your hand, but it's pretty hefty, which I like about this gun. It's very nice. So. Then, once you're out of ammo, slide stays open. just like the real thing. Then, out of ammo, puts magazine in, it will not shut. But in my next video, I'll show you something different about that. So I'm going to reload magazine, and alright, I filled up my mag. Gun slides open. The mag in, locked shut, because I have ammo in it. And I can shoot. Stays open. This is a very, very realistic gun. I mean, you can't get any closer to any other gun. So, KJ Works put a lot of effort and time into designing this weapon. Put a lot of time into it. So, repay them and buy it. So.